Ever wondered what life looks like inside a billionaire's home? In today's Luxo-Life video, we'll take you on an exclusive journey inside the billionaire lifestyle. Get ready to explore the top 10 most luxurious properties in Florida, filled with jaw-dropping features and unparalleled opulence. Whether you're searching for your dream home or seeking inspiration, this video is for you. Don't forget to show Luxo-Life some love, and let's begin our tour of luxury like no other. Florida, 10. San Marino Island Mansion, Miami Beach, Florida. This luxurious estate is nestled in one of the most exclusive communities, offering a lifestyle that's as dreamy as the views it provides. Priced at $22.5 million, it's not just a home. It's an experience of living on a private paradise surrounded by breathtaking water views. This mansion boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 7 lavish bathrooms, designed to combine elegance and comfort. Imagine waking up every morning to the serene sight of the water glistening under the Florida sun, then stepping out onto your balcony to feel the gentle ocean breeze. The private pool is perfect for soaking up the sun or hosting unforgettable gatherings with friends and family. Every detail of this home screams sophistication, making it the perfect place to live, relax, and entertain. What truly sets this property apart is its location. San Marino Island is known for its exclusivity, attracting those who value privacy and luxury. This mansion provides just that, offering a serene retreat while still being minutes away from the vibrant energy of Miami Beach. Whether it's a quiet evening by the pool or a lively night out on the town, this home gives you the best of both worlds. 901 North Ocean Boulevard, Palm Beach, Florida, number 9. With a price tag of $74.8 million. This oceanfront property redefines luxury living. It's not just a home. It's a masterpiece designed for those who crave sophistication and exclusivity. The moment you hear direct oceanfront access, you know this estate offers something truly extraordinary. This property features 9 sprawling bedrooms and 12 beautifully designed bathrooms, ensuring there's no shortage of space or elegance. Whether you're hosting a grand event or enjoying a quiet evening with family, this home caters to every need. The outdoor area is equally impressive, with a sparkling pool and impeccably landscaped gardens that create a serene oasis. Imagine sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises over the ocean or enjoying a leisurely afternoon by the pool. It's the ultimate retreat. And let's not forget the guest house, which adds an extra layer of convenience and privacy. Whether accommodating friends, family, or VIP guests, this separate space is a thoughtful addition to an already incredible property. The meticulous attention to detail throughout the estate shows a commitment to excellence that's impossible to ignore. Palm Beach, Florida, 8 is the stunning contemporary estate at 149 East Inlet Drive, Palm Beach, Florida. Priced at $78.5 million, this property offers a modern take on luxury with its sleek design and breathtaking features. Spanning 7,686 square feet, it's a haven for those who appreciate a perfect balance of style, comfort, and sophistication. And let's not forget the panoramic ocean views that make every moment here unforgettable. This magnificent home includes 7 spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed to provide comfort and elegance. The highlight? An infinity pool that seems to blend seamlessly with the ocean horizon. It's the perfect spot to relax or host gatherings with a backdrop that will leave your guests speechless. Inside, the home features a state-of-the-art theater room, giving you the ultimate cinematic experience without stepping out the door. For those who love wellness and relaxation, this property doesn't disappoint. A private sauna offers the perfect place to unwind, while the fully equipped gym is ready to help you stay in shape. Every inch of this home is designed to elevate your lifestyle, from its luxurious amenities to its sweeping oceanfront views. It's a dream property for anyone who values both elegance and convenience. 7. Star Island, Miami Beach, Florida. The 7th on our list is the iconic Star Island in Miami Beach, Florida. Known for its celebrity residence and ultra-exclusive lifestyle, this prestigious location is home to some of the most extravagant estates in the world. Imagine living in a place where your neighbors are A-listers, surrounded by stunning waterfront views and unmatched luxury. Star Island isn't just a neighborhood, it's a statement of success. Each estate on Star Island is a masterpiece designed to reflect the personality and lifestyle of its owners. With its breathtaking waterfront views, this area offers a serene escape from the bustling city while still being just minutes away from Miami's vibrant nightlife. The luxurious amenities in these homes are what truly make them stand out, with features that cater to both relaxation and entertainment. What sets Star Island apart is the exclusivity it offers. This isn't just about owning a luxurious property. It's about being part of a community that defines prestige. The estates here are designed to provide privacy and comfort, making it the ultimate retreat for those who want to enjoy the finer things in life while staying connected to Miami's energy and excitement. 6. Versace Mansion, Miami Beach, Florida. The sixth on our list is the legendary Versace Mansion in Miami Beach, Florida. This South Beach icon, once owned by the renowned fashion designer Gianni Versace, is a symbol of luxury and artistic brilliance. Priced at $100 million, it's a masterpiece that combines grandeur, history, and world-class design. This is not just a mansion, it's a work of art that has captivated millions with its timeless elegance. This mansion spans an impressive 23,462 square feet and boasts 10 stunning bedrooms and 11 lavish bathrooms. Every room reflects Versace's unique sense of style, with intricate details and bold designs that tell a story of opulence. From ornate finishes to custom mosaics, every corner of this home radiates luxury. Walking through this mansion feels like stepping into a fashion icon's vision of perfection. What makes this property even more remarkable is its history. As the former residence of Gianni Versace, it carries a legacy that few other homes can match. The Versace Mansion is not just a place to live. It's a piece of South Beach's cultural and architectural heritage. Its design, size, and historical significance make it one of the most iconic properties in Miami Beach. 5. 1000 South Ocean Boulevard, Manalapan, Florida. We have 5 more left, and the top 5 goes to the stunning estate at 1000 South Ocean Boulevard in Manalapan, Florida. This $106 million masterpiece is the epitome of elegance and sophistication, sprawling over an impressive 23,188 square feet. It's more than a home. It's a statement of luxury perfectly positioned with breathtaking ocean views that make every day feel like a dream. This magnificent property boasts 9 spacious bedrooms and 10.5 bathrooms, providing an abundance of space and comfort for its residents and guests. Every room is designed to capture the beauty of the surrounding ocean, while offering the finest in modern living. Whether it's hosting a grand event or enjoying a quiet morning with the waves as your backdrop, this estate delivers an unmatched living experience. But the allure doesn't stop there. The luxurious amenities of this home are designed to cater to every desire, making it a sanctuary for relaxation and entertainment. The combination of its stunning architecture and panoramic ocean views creates a setting that feels almost magical. This home is a perfect balance of grandeur and tranquility, ideal for those who want to experience the best of Florida's coastal living. 4. Manalapan Estate, Manalapan, Florida. 4th is the remarkable Manalapan Estate in Manalapan, Florida. This jaw-dropping property, valued at $173 million, was purchased by Larry Ellison and spans an incredible 22 acres. Nestled along the coveted A1A, it's a true masterpiece of luxury and innovation, offering a living experience unlike any other. This estate redefines what it means to live in opulence and privacy. One of the most fascinating features of this property is its series of tunnels that run beneath the road. These tunnels not only add a touch of intrigue but also provide unmatched convenience and privacy for the estate's residents. This clever design element ensures that every inch of this sprawling property feels seamlessly connected, elevating the experience of luxury living. The size and layout of the Manalapan estate make it a world of its own. Spanning both sides of the road, it offers breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere that feels miles away from the outside world. With its sheer scale and attention to detail, it's a home that caters to those who value exclusivity, sophistication, and tranquility. 3. Tarpon Island, Palm Beach, Florida. Third on our list is the breathtaking Tarpon Island in Palm Beach, Florida. Priced at an astounding $187.5 million, this private island compound is the pinnacle of exclusivity and luxury. Surrounded by pristine waters, it offers a secluded retreat that feels like stepping into another world. This property is not just a home. It's a lifestyle reserved for those who desire unparalleled elegance and privacy. At the heart of Tarpon Island is a luxurious mansion equipped with state-of-the-art amenities that redefine modern living. Every aspect of this home has been designed to offer the ultimate comfort and convenience, from its stunning architecture to its high-end features. Whether you're relaxing by the water or entertaining guests, this estate has everything you need to live in style. What makes Tarpon Island truly unique is its exclusivity. Being a private island, it offers a level of seclusion that's almost impossible to find. It's the perfect sanctuary for those who value peace and tranquility while still enjoying all the luxuries that come with a world-class estate. Surrounded by crystal clear waters, it's a paradise that combines natural beauty with human ingenuity. The top 2 spot goes to the incredible estate at 2000 South Ocean Boulevard in Manalapan, Florida. Priced at $94.17 million, this sprawling property is nothing short of a private paradise. Covering an impressive 62,200 square feet, this estate offers a level of luxury and grandeur that few properties in the world can match. From the moment you step onto the grounds, it's clear that this is a home designed for someone who wants it all. With 33 bedrooms and 38 bathrooms, this estate has space for just about anything you can imagine. Whether you're hosting an event, accommodating a large family, or simply enjoying the vastness of the property, it offers unmatched comfort and convenience. The rooms are designed to provide both elegance and functionality, ensuring every moment spent here feels special. It's more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. One of the standout features of this estate is its stunning outdoor amenities. A private 200-foot beach allows you to enjoy Florida's beautiful coastline in total seclusion, while the botanical garden offers a serene escape into nature. For those who love staying active, the sports complex provides endless opportunities for recreation and leisure. This property seamlessly blends luxury with the beauty of the natural world. 1. Gordon Pointe, Naples, Florida. The last but definitely not the least on our list is the awe-inspiring Gordon Pointe estate in Naples, Florida. Priced at a staggering $295 million, this palatial property is the epitome of luxury living. Spanning an incredible 9 acres of prime waterfront land, it's a private sanctuary that offers both breathtaking views and unparalleled exclusivity. This is more than just a home. It's a dream come to life. At the heart of this estate is a magnificent primary residence, complemented by not 1 but 2 guest houses. Whether you're hosting friends, family, or VIP guests, there's plenty of room to ensure everyone enjoys their stay in style. The expansive design of the property reflects elegance and sophistication, with every detail carefully considered to offer the ultimate living experience. The outdoor spaces are just as impressive as the interiors. With sweeping waterfront views surrounding the property, it's a slice of paradise that feels like your own private island. The sheer size of Gordon Pointe ensures total privacy, making it the perfect retreat for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life while still enjoying the best of luxury living. And that wraps up part 1 of Inside the Billionaire Lifestyle, Florida and Texas's most extravagant homes. Did you find your dream home or gather some inspiration? If not, don't worry. Be sure to check out part 2, where we explore the most luxurious estates in Texas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let us know your favorite property in the comments below, and share this video with friends who love luxury. Don't forget to subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. See you soon, Luxo lovers.